I will be talking about the bottled water in Peru, about consequences of drinking bottled water and how it affects the environment. I will also be talking about norovirus, a highly contagious virus which is sometimes found in bottled water. Also about the differences from different types of water, spring, mineral, sparkling, distilled, and well water. You will also learn about where bottled water comes from. Norovirus. The norovirus is a microscopic organism that causes a common illness affecting humans' intestines and stomach. Its symptoms are vomiting, diarrhea, and stomach aches. It is often found in oysters. It is also found in bottled water. An outbreak of the illness in 1968 made scientists isolate and identify the virus 4 years later in 1972. This virus usually passes from one individual to another by the feces of an infected that contaminates the water. Outbreaks of the illness often occur when someone eats at a restaurant and the food they eat is being cooked by a man who's infected. How different types of water are obtained. There are many types of water, for example, distilled water, spring water, mineral water, well water, etc. Distilled water is made into steam so that all of its impurities are left behind. Spring water is extracted from the underground sources, while mineral water comes from natural spring sources. And sparkling water goes through a carbonation process to add gas into it. How drinking bottled water affects our environment. Drinking bottled water affects our environment because it's plastic, and the bottles often end up in the ocean, killing numerous fish. If thrown into trash cans, it will often get burned. One of the main reasons of what we know is global warming. The cap may be taken apart, and both end up in the ocean as two separate parts, and those two are two different things that can kill fish. Where does bottled water come from? As I said, there are many different types of bottled water, and they are all obtained differently. This depends on which type of water it is. Well water, spring water, mineral water, distilled water, and sparkling water are the main types, although there are many other types of water that are obtained differently from these, which are the main ones. Surveys on bottled water. The NRDC conducted a survey on bottled water and found out that 40% of bottled water comes from taps. Many companies that claim their water to be mineral or spring are lying, and their water is actually just tap water put into a plastic bottle. The amount of bottled water consumed each year is greatly increasing yearly, as you can see in the chart in the screen.